All right, guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and today I got a super awesome diesel Class A. Right behind me, I got a 2007 Holiday Rambler Neptune XL. Take a look at this thing. This thing has brass hardware, great awnings, slide toppers. The full body paint is in excellent condition. It's got a great set of Goodyear tires on it. It's got 4 slides, guys. Look at all this storage that we have underneath as well. It's got an onboard diesel generator, purring like a kitten. Roof access. Additional 2 slides on this side, guys. The bronze or brass hardware looks absolutely excellent, especially the slide toppers, guys. Again, Neptune XL. Come on, follow me in, Sammy. Let's go check out the inside. Obviously, we got automatic steps over here. So we'll start in the cab, and you've got excellent upholstery on the seats, beige leather interior, automatic transmission, obviously, air brakes, 21,787 miles right now, guys. No warning lights or anything like that. Everything is in excellent condition. Backup camera. So we're going to start up here. We've got our entertainment center, guys. It's got a flat screen television. It's got speakers all the way around. It's got plenty of storage all the way around as well. Switch places with me, Sammy. So we've got a great couch over here. We've got a slide-in dinette with a leaf over here. We've got a nice chase, I guess you would call it a chase. Plenty of storage all the way around. We got a 4-door stainless steel refrigerator. Works off of electricity or LP, guys. Plenty of countertop space. Stainless steel double bin sink over here, guys. We got a 3-burner gas stove. We got a stainless steel microwave and convection oven over here. And guys, massive amounts of pantry plate space as well. Over here, we have our control board for our generator, which is currently running. Over here, we've got a glass enclosed shower. I'm going to get out of your way in just a second, Sammy. And we've got another vanity over here. Slide in over here, Sammy, and show them separate commode room over here. That's where the business gets done. Power roof vent. So, I am in the rear bedroom. Another rooftop AC. This is a 50 amp unit. Ceiling fan. Another flat screen television. Plenty of storage space. Queen size bed over here, guys. And we've got a sliding glass closet over here as well. Plenty of space, guys. All right, guys, if you guys are interested in this unit, you know where to find us. My name is Chris, CGM Auto Brokers. I can be reached at 704-620-8388. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. You can also find us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Guys, we have financing available, so hit us up. We also do transport and delivery. If you guys like these videos, if you have any questions at all, please like, please subscribe, ask any questions you want, guys. We're going to answer them for you. Thanks, and God bless.